ever dreamed of creating your own fairy garden, a magical oasis in miniature form? Imagine a delightful, whimsical world nestled among your plants. The process of creating a fairy garden is filled with imagination and creativity. With simple steps, you'll find how enchanting it is to create your own miniature landscape. First things first, gather the necessary materials. You'll need a container or a special spot in your garden, some potting soil, miniature plants, and fairy garden accessories. Remember, creativity is key, and materials can be tailored to your unique vision. Once your materials are ready, it's time to dive into the magical world of fairy gardening. Now, the enchanting journey of creating your fairy garden begins. Let's break down the process into simple, achievable steps. First, choose your location. Whether it's a corner of your backyard or a pot on your balcony, any spot can be transformed into a magical realm. Next, prepare the soil. Ensure it's nutrient-rich and well-drained to support the growth of your miniature plants. Speaking of plants, it's time to choose your green companions. Look for small, slow-growing varieties that can maintain the scale of your fairy garden. Finally, the most exciting part, arranging the fairy garden accessories. From tiny fairy houses to miniature bridges and magical creatures, each accessory adds a touch of whimsy. Place them thoughtfully, imagining the daily life of your garden's invisible inhabitants. Remember, patience is key. Each tiny detail contributes to the overall magic of your fairy garden. Behold, your very own fairy garden, an enchanting landscape in miniature form. Just remember how we began with selecting a suitable container, choosing the right plants, and adding those magical fairy accessories. The reward of creating something so charming is truly unparalleled. So why not spread the magic? Share your captivating creations with everyone. If this video sparked your creativity, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enchanting ideas.